In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert drop-down chips in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet easier to use, drop-down chips are a great tool. They let you create a list of preset options inside a cell. So instead of typing the same values over and over, you can simply click and choose from a menu. This is especially useful for things like task status, priority levels, approvals, or any category you use repeatedly. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to add the drop-down chip. Once you're in the sheet, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This menu includes different items you can add to your spreadsheet, and the option we need is the drop-down feature. From the Insert menu, click on Drop-down. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will open the drop-down setup panel, where you can begin creating the list of options that will appear in your chip. Now click into the first field and type your first drop-down label. This is the first option people will be able to select from the list. Keep the label clear and short so it's easy to read inside the cell. Next, click into the second field and type your second drop-down label. This gives your list another selectable option. You can name these according to your workflow, category system, or whatever type of data you're organizing in the sheet. After that, click on the color drop-down next to each label and assign a color to it. This part is helpful because the colors make each option easier to recognize at a glance. For example, using different colors can help visually separate statuses or categories without needing to read every word. If you need more than two options, click on Add Another Item, then continue adding as many drop-down items as you need. This makes the feature flexible, so you can build a simple list or a much more detailed one, depending on your spreadsheet. Once your labels and colors are set, click on Done. That will apply the drop-down chip to the selected cell in your Google Sheet. Finally, click on the drop-down that appears in your sheet. You should now see the list of options you added, and you can select any one of them from the menu. That's it. Your drop-down chip is now working and ready to use. If you're setting up a sheet for regular updates, this is a simple way to keep entries consistent, clean, and easy to manage.